Rhiannon and I'm here to talk to you about kids' craft essentials so you can start creating masterpieces with the little ones in your life. The arts and crafts supplies you stock up on depend on your child's age. No matter how old they are, art and craft is a great way for them to play, learn and express. There are some things you should start with in your craft box so you're prepared for any creative inspiration that may hit. These include coloured pencils and markers in a rainbow of shades. If you have smaller kids, look for washable formulas and don't forget a pencil sharpener. Watercolour paints, which are inexpensive and come in a palette of bright shades. They're an easy way for kids to learn to paint and blend colour. They're also easy to clean up. Acrylic paint, which is good for when you want to create large, bright and bold paintings with brushes or your fingers. Paper and card can be used as a surface for drawing and painting, or for a collage, mosaics or origami. A scrapbook or large jotter is great for testing ideas, while loose card or white paper can be used to produce art to hang on the fridge. Thicker cardstock could also be used to create greeting cards. Stickers come in almost endless varieties and they're fun to use. Get stickers that can tell a story or can be used to decorate books. Safety scissors are a must for small hands, while older children could use scissors with sharper blades. A craft box also needs glue. PVA is a good all-rounder for sticking down bulky findings or sticking different surfaces together like paper and fabric. A glue stick is easy to use and great for paper crafts. Add dimension to your craft projects and help them have limitless potential with pompoms, pipe cleaners, paddle pop sticks, matchsticks, washi tape, feathers and anything else you can get your hands on. You could also choose specific products that let your child explore different areas of art and craft. Painting and drawing supplies are great ways for kids to learn motor control when they're young and express themselves when they're older. When it comes to painting, preschool children can learn about mixing colours by using washable paints and different tools like brushes, rollers and foam stamps. Primary school age kids love to experiment with different formulations and brushes. Give them watercolour and acrylic paints and brushes in different shapes and styles so they can see the difference. Secondary school age kids and teenagers can explore canvas or painting in a visual journal so they have a record of their skills developing. You can also get them to try oil paints and spray paint to achieve different effects. No matter how old they are, an art smock is always a good idea to protect their clothes. Drawing is a simple way for kids to tell stories and express their imaginations. It's also extremely simple to get started and clean up afterwards. Crayons are great for toddlers and you can get thin or thick ones that even the smallest hands find easy to grip. Oil pastels are perfect for older kids as they can experiment with blending colours. Pencils in different colours are great for drawing, colouring and writing. Start with a set of 12 core colours and update their sets as they start exploring their art even further. Grey lead pencils are good for sketching and they're easy to erase, which makes them perfect for practicing letters and numbers. Markers provide a satisfying thick line. If you have younger kids, get them washable markers for easy cleanup. Beads are a fun and tactile way for kids to explore colour, and they get to wear the end result or give it as a gift. Choose the right bead supplies to make their creations a breeze. Smaller kids and toddlers do well with larger beads, which are safer and easier for them to handle. You can vary the texture with beads made from wood, glass, plastic or ceramic and get lots of different colours. Also experiment with household objects like dried pasta. Mix it up with pendants and charms in a shape your child loves. Thread the beads onto a nylon string or use twine or ribbon for a different look. You could also use thinner wire and findings like clasps, which are really useful. A storage box with different compartments will ensure everything stays in the right place, and you're less likely to have tiny beads rolling around the floor. Want some tips or inspiration for your kids' artwork? Drop into a Spotlight store or visit us online at spotlightstores.com.